Hello everyone, welcome to another review video. Today I will show you Wolfram Alpha ChatGPT Plugin, basically features and what you can do with this plugin. Now, as you can see right here, the Wolfram plugin makes ChatGPT smarter by giving it access to powerful computation, accurate math, curated knowledge, and real-time data and visualization through Wolfram Alpha and Wolfram language. Now, basically what you get with this is, as you can see, you can install it by basically going into your into new chat. Here you will see the plugins and the model. So just go to the plugin store, and here you'll be able to go and install Wolfram plugin. Now, once you do that, you will be able to click on the Wolfram. Now, keep in mind, this is just for ChatGPT 4 users. So if you're not ChatGPT 4 user, then you will have to purchase ChatGPT 4. Now, as you can see, here are some of the things that this plugin can do. Now, you can do anatomy, you can do date and time, so mathematical equations, stuff like that, you can do that. As you can see, here's a simplified genealogical tree to help visualize. And then you have mathematical fractions, music, also Pokemons, as you can see, and a bunch more stuff, as you can see, which is audio, code annotation, algorithms. So this plugin will make ChatGPT smarter, and you can go and you can use it whatever you want. For example, movies, as well as word puzzles, as well as number systems. So if you want to check it out, you can go to wolfram.com/Wolfram plugin ChatGPT. And as you can see, you can go here and you can click on each of those, and you can see how you can use Wolfram Alpha ChatGPT plugin within ChatGPT. Now, obviously, this is a really simple plugin to install and a really simple plugin to use, but you will have to go and test it out for yourself. But this is pretty much everything that you can do with it right here, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much a full review and features of Wolfram Alpha ChatGPT plugin. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.